hope you guys are doing good. So today I decided to vlog. It's a Wednesday and it's, what time is it? Oh my goodness, I can't check the time. But anyways, I'm vlogging, and the first part, it's laundry. So now I am going to cook and I have to wash the dishes. So my kitchen is actually a mess because the lighting is bad. So yesterday I prepared food and I didn't wash the dishes, and today morning I woke up and I also made food. I'm going to prepare chops. I don't know, they're this is a garlic powder. I made it sometime last year when I was doing some spice research. I'm not a fan of garlic. I don't use it a lot, so that's the reason why it's like this. It's been in the cupboard for quite some time.